India, with its diverse population and complex legal system, has a number of prisons spread across the country. These correctional facilities are essential for maintaining law and order, as well as rehabilitating offenders. In this video, we will delve into the top 8 largest jails in India, highlighting their capacities and significance in the criminal justice system. Tihar Jail, in Delhi, is largest prison complex in South Asia. Since its establishment in 1957, it has 9 central prisons and accommodates up to 5,200 inmates. The high-profile individuals are accommodated in Tihar is the Delhi Yerwada Central Prison, in Pune, Maharashtra, is India's second largest correctional facility with high security measures. Encompassing 500 acres, it houses an open prison as well. Notably, during the independence movement, Mahatma Gandhi was confined within its walls. Currently, it provides accommodations for 3,600 inmates. Naini Central Prison, in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, stands as India's third largest prison. Originating during British colonial rule, this facility comprises both high security sections and an open prison, with a substantial capacity to accommodate 3,000 inmates. Naini Central Prison holds significant importance within the Indian penal system. Puzhal Central Prison, situated in Chennai, of Tamil Nadu, stands as one of the largest prison complexes in the country. Operational since the 26th of September 2006, it boasts facilities to accommodate 1,251 remand prisoners, 1,250 convicted prisoners, and 500 women prisoners. Rajamundry Central Prison, situated in Rajamahendravaram of Andhra Pradesh, has a rich history dating back to its conversion into a jail by the British Empire in 1864. Later, it was designated as a central jail in 1870, with the structures occupying 37.24 acres. This prison holds a significant place in the region's history and correctional system. Vellore Central Prison, established in 1830, stands as a prominent correctional facility in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It holds the distinction of being the largest jail in the district and the second largest in Tamil Nadu, following Puzhal Central Prison. Alipore Jail, also known as Alipore Central Jail or Presidency Correctional Home, served as a significant prison in Alipore, Kolkata, during British rule, particularly holding political prisoners. Additionally, it housed the Alipore Jail Press. As of February 20, 2019, it ceased operations as a jail. The site has since been transformed into an independence museum. Parapana Agrahara Central Jail in Bangalore, also known as Bangalore Central Jail, holds the distinction of being the largest prison in the Indian state of Karnataka. Founded in 1997, it assumed the role of the Central Prison of Bangalore in 2000 after the closure of the old jail. As of July 2023, this prison accommodates over 5,000 inmates despite having a capacity of only 2,200. This all about the largest jails in India, and please subscribe my channel for further informational videos.